Good day world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Today we're looking at this one. 30th anniversary Rough Rider Everyday Carry Knives and Gear. And this is the RR2640. Can you see that? Yes. And then on the back it also says RR2640. It's one of these little boxes just like this, which pretty much means it's not part of a series. Now, when I ordered this knife about a month ago, I ordered mine from Swartbaard EDC and Gear. It did not even have a name yet. Now, I did see Smoky Mountain Knife Works did bring out a video on this knife, and it's this thing. Forget this thing. This is my easy open. I put on it myself. But it's beautiful brown micarta, lovely micarta on this thing. We have this beautiful orange pivot collar, black pivot, black hardware, big lanyard tube with a brass liner, beautiful, fantastic backspacer, no gapping whatsoever, awesome pocket clip. And yes, it does not look like your normal Rough Rider. Now, we have this long pull. Not a match strike pull, but look at the shape of this knife. This thing is marvelous. It's such a utilitarian shape, such a lovely handle. It does have a 3.5-inch blade. Let me just quickly do specs. About 9 centimeters for a blade. Overall, 20.5 centimeters, maybe 21. 3.5-inch blade and pretty much 8 inches on the nose. Lovely back spring, no mushiness. We do have a nice legit half stop. Nice snap on this thing. Now, I put my easy opening the wrong way around, okay? Because normally you would put this thing on that side, but I changed it around so I can open it like that, one-handed. And it's been my EDC knife for almost a week now. Yes, I got it somewhere in the beginning of this week. Okay, but it's a lovely knife and a lovely blade shape. We do have a straight if you want to carve things. We do have beautiful belly and this drop point shape. Now, I think they call it a clip point, but it's quite straight down. So I'm going to call it a drop point. You can call it whatever you want to. Anyway, lovely knife. The handle is nice and big. We do have lots of space for everything. And like I said, this is just a fantastic knife. So, I know you do not get this thing with. I did videos on how to install them. You just put a little Allen key in there, then the screw grabs onto the flat part. So you don't need a fuller to do it. I just, yeah, because when we do it that way, it's a bit difficult to get into it. But now I have a bit more purchase, which means I can open it one-handed and close it one-handed. Nice and easy. This is a lovely knife. Now, I'm going to lie to you about the name. Please check in the description. It's something like a Rough Rider, whatever. Check in the description or the name under the video. Anyway, lovely knife. And this thing is going to definitely be my EDC knife for a while. I must say, it does dig into your thumb. It's got awesome walk and talk, which means it is quite hard to pull. Mine is maybe a 6, verging towards a 7. So the easy opener is not the best idea for this thing, but I like the idea of having a EDC knife that I can one-hand everything. Lovely thing. We do have a recessed pocket clip. We do have flat screws, so everything we love. Not reversible, unfortunately, but if I'm left-handed, I'm just going to swap that thing around if I choose to put that on and not want to open it two-handed. And the pocket clip I'll just use like that. There's no chance of this thing opening in your pocket because it's a slip joint and it's got quite a nice pull on it and an awesome snap to it. Okay, so as far as modern traditionals go, look at this thing. It's marvelous and the size is great for pretty much anything. So I really, really like this knife and I like to carry it. Okay, so thank you Rough Rider for bringing us something a bit newer and just still so traditional. Your grandfather would still love this knife. Okay, modern materials. Oh, and it's a D2 blade. It's not the normal 440A that you get from Rough Rider. Do you see the D2 over there, then the model number in China, and over there we just have the wonderful Rough Rider. Okay, beautiful. And this nice long pull, it's a marvelous knife, even without this thing. Ignore that. Look at it like that. Such a classic looking knife. Okay, that's me for now. All of you, please subscribe, please share with your friends. In the next video we are looking at an old Gerber and we are braaiing hamburgers. All of you, stay safe, happy, have a good one. Goodbye.